To mute the monitor for 2 minutes, press Exit. To reactivate the sound before the 2 minutes is up, press Exit again. If transmission is not clear, simply change the channel. Press and hold Select. Use arrows to browse channels C1 to C8. Press Select to confirm. If you lose the connection between the two units, first, press and hold the menu button on the parent's unit. The out-of-range icon will flash. Next, press and hold the clear button at the top of the nursery unit to reconnect. The tick light will flash and a beep will sound when connection is complete. To locate the parent's unit, press the clear button on the front of the nursery unit. To activate hold, press and hold the down arrow until a flashing H appears. This function will allow you to pick your baby up from the crib without having to turn off the monitor. The parent's unit will beep every minute as a reminder that the monitor is on hold. To cancel, press and hold the down arrow again.